Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to disable or enable your Windows Defender in a very simple way into your Windows. What you can do, just simply come over into your start icon, click on the right mouse button and then go for settings. After that, here you will find the left side called Windows Update or Privacy and Security. You can see here is Privacy and Security. If you click on that, then you'll find the option called Windows Security. If you click on that, then you will get an option called virus and threat protection. Click on that and there will be a windows of virus and threat protection. And from here you just need to scroll down a little bit and then you will find the option called virus and threat protection settings. So click on manage settings and then here you can see there is an option called real-time protection. If you just simply turn it off, click yes for the permission, and now your Windows Defender is disabled. Also, you can turn this off too, and now you are completely disabled your Windows Defender. And now what you can do, if you want to turn it on or enable it, just simply go there and click on the manage settings, turn it on, click yes for the permission and turn it on, and that will enable your Windows Defender. So this is how you can disable and enable Windows Defender into your Windows computer. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in another videos. Till then, goodbye.